Hi everyone, so glad to see you again. Once again, my name is Jenna. I am a sophomore at Northwestern University studying journalism and legal studies. And today I really want to talk to you about making friends with social anxiety, which is something that I've really struggled with throughout my college experience. The one thing that really helped me when I was trying to figure this out and make friends in spite of my anxiety was realizing that as a freshman in college, we're really all in it together. Most people who come to college want to make friends, so it makes it a lot easier than it did in high school where your groups were kind of set. Here, everyone's kind of on their own, so it's important to step out of your comfort zone and really try to go out there and meet new people, which will inevitably turn into friendships. But especially in the time period of COVID, where you're not getting that face-to-face interaction that you normally would, there's so many virtual ways that you can make friends. I have met friends even during my sophomore year just by seeing people I follow on Instagram and swiping up on their stories when it's something that I find interesting, and conversations start from there. And that's been a lot easier with my anxiety because I don't have to have that face-to-face component, at least for right now. So it's kind of a stepping stone between what it used to be last year and our friendship in the future. It's one way that you can create these friendships even now in this virtual environment is by establishing rapport with your classmates. You can find a point of connection, even if it's just, making jokes about the pandemic or something that, we're all going through together. I know a lot of people at my school are really struggling and frustrated with the testing procedures, so oftentimes when I'm meeting new people in a breakout room, I'll lead with that or just talk about something that everyone can relate to and get the conversation flowing, and from there you'll suddenly find yourself among a bunch of new friendships. Finally, my last point is that when you're out doing these things and making friends and putting yourself out there, it's really hard to not criticize yourself and be your harshest critic, which is really what we all are. I know after I have a social encounter that I feel like I didn't do well in, I'll go home and I'll just replay it over and over in my head what I could have done differently. But just know that nobody's judging you as hard as you're judging yourself. And honestly, they probably didn't even notice the little slip-ups that you made in the conversation or things that you might have found embarrassing. So I hope this helps. I really encourage you guys to take advantage of this virtual format to really put yourselves out there. It's made it a lot easier for me with my social anxiety, and I hope that this can be helpful for you and you can also go and explore these new friendships because it's really important. Make sure to reach out to any counselors on campus if you're struggling with feelings of loneliness, which are super common right now since everybody's isolated. Hope you guys have a great week.